In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your new app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Settings. In them, hit Apps, select Default Apps, and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, in my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wish to apply, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!